The Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account can currently realistically give you up to 5.55% interest. This is fantastic news, given that all the other bank accounts feel like they are competing to see who can give you the lowest interest. In this video, I'll be showing how you can get up to 5.55% interest via the SC Bonus Saver account, on top of a $348 welcome rewards. So, in order to get the 5.55% interest on the StanChart Bonus Saver account, all you need to do is fulfill the salary crediting, credit card spend, and invest criteria, and think you'll be able to earn the 5.55% interest on up to $100,000. We'll ignore the insure criteria, as most people won't be getting an insurance through a bank, much less one that has an annual premium of $12,000. But if you do, good for you. You'll be able to get the 8.05% interest. Voila! Okay, let's go through each of the criteria to see how they work. First of all, the salary crediting criteria. All you need to do is credit a salary of at least $3,000 either via Giro, PayNow, or Fast, with the purpose code as SALA. Also, the currency must be in Sing dollar in order for this to work. Now, I know what you chicken people may be thinking. Can I ownself transfer ownself using another bank like the UOB one had? Unfortunately, there have been mixed reports. Some people mentioned that this worked while others didn't. So, to make sure you fulfill this criteria, it's still best to ask your employer to pay into this bank account. Quick pause. If you're looking for the best brokers to kickstart your investing journey, check out Interactive Brokers. You will enjoy one of the lowest fees in the industry, at just 35 cents per trade on the US stock market. It also offers Ireland domicile ETFs, perfect for saving on dividend withholding taxes. Plus, it also comes with free company research tools, so you can make smarter investing decisions. Feel free to use my Interactive Brokers link to open an account and start investing today. Alright, let's get back to the video. Next, for the credit card spend criteria, you will need to spend a minimum of $1,000 on the Bonus Saver cards. The Bonus Saver card comes in either the debit card version or the credit card, and unfortunately, the card doesn't give any cashback or miles. Yes, this card is so cheap until Standard Chartered doesn't even think it's worth making a dedicated page for it. And I'm sure you might be thinking, if this card is so cheap, won't there be opportunity cost for using this card? Yes, that's why you should only charge things that you normally won't be able to earn rewards for on this card. Note that things like ASS payments, top-ups, online bill payments, and even payments to government portals will not count towards the spend criteria. So, one workaround is to make use of CardUp and iPayMy to pay stuff like insurance premiums, condo and maintenance fees, taxes, and so on. Yes, there will be fees for using these services, but depending on your savings, it may be worth it. For example, let's say you are paying a $2,000 insurance premium. With a 2.25% fee, you will pay $45 to CardUp. However, in return, your 100K will earn the 1.55% interest from the card spend criteria, or an interest of $129.17 in the following month. Next, to fulfill the invest criteria, you will need to invest $20,000 into an eligible unit trust or online equity, or even an SC Invest portfolio. If you can fulfill this, you will earn a 2.5% bonus interest over the next 6 months. From my understanding, you will only need to perform the investment action and not hold on to the investment. So technically, you can just invest 20K into something, immediately sell it, and you will still qualify for the investment criteria. But which investment should you go for? For unit trust, unfortunately, there's no money market fund options like the Fullerton Fund or the Lion Global Fund that you can go for. So you have to go with other kinds of funds. As for online equities, you can invest in stocks or ETFs via the SC online trading platform. But just be aware that there will be a 0.2% fee when you trade the SGX market and 0.25% fee on all other markets, with a $10 minimum fee. So, assuming you invest 20K on the SGX market, that will be a $40 fee. It may look cheap if you're looking at it in terms of paying a fee to earn the 2.5% interest over the next 6 months, or it may sound expensive if you're comparing it against other low-cost brokers. But if you do decide to open the SC online trading platform, you can sign up via my link to get $60 when you make a buy trade of any amount within 30 days of online account opening, yeah? Otherwise, you can invest in a SC Invest portfolio, which currently doesn't have any sales charge. If you want just the lowest risk option, you can consider Cash Plus, which invests in a globally diversified portfolio of bonds and money market funds. However, just because this portfolio shows a big 5.25% return, just remember that this is based on historical return, and obviously, Low risk doesn't mean no risk, yeah. That's because even this portfolio saw a maximum drawdown of -5% over the past 1 year. So you have to be perfectly fine with the risk before investing in it, yeah. So that's how to qualify for the 5.55% interest on the SC Bonus Saver. Now, let's talk about the sign-up rewards. If you sign up for the Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account and Bonus Saver credit card as a new-to-product customer via my link, then deposit 50k fresh funds until the end of the following month, you will get up to $288 of welcome rewards. You're considered as a new-to-product customer as long as you did not have any Bonus Saver accounts or Bonus Saver credit card within the last 12 months. So, for example, even if you have other SC accounts or other SC cards, you'll still qualify. The rewards will consist of a $60 cashback, 50 units of Spider STI ETF worth $198, and a bonus $30 cashback when you use my link. Note that in order to receive the 50 units of Spider STI ETF, you will need to have the SC online trading platform, yeah? Otherwise, you won't be able to get the shares. So, if you add up the $60 cashback, 50 units of Spider STI ETF worth $198, the bonus $30 cashback when you use my link to sign up for the SC Bonus Saver account and SC Bonus Savers credit card, then another $60 when you open the SC online trading account and make one trade, ding, there's $348 of welcome rewards. So that was a quick video on how to get the 5.55% interest via the SC Bonus Saver account. Hope you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every week.